Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you why PlayStation starts not working. So in order to find the answer to this question, I went on reddit.com where this person asked the same type of question. So you just have to simply scroll down a bit and you will see people saying that they are also facing same kind of problem. So we are here to find the reason of it. So this person is saying that the collectible campaigns are not working for the majority of people. Which one worked for you? Because no one has gotten the FC25 one yet. That was released on September 26th. No one on Pocket PSN has the October check in collectible either. So here let's just find out what other people are saying. So no rewards and any trophy that I obtain, it appears now you are level 4 and I have full of this message. So majority of people are saying that they are also facing the same problem, but the reason is not mentioned over here. So the reason might be from the PlayStation's end. So if you are facing that error, you just have to simply wait for some time until it is fixed, because there is nothing you can do into it. So you can even try to contact with the PlayStation customer service executive, but they will also ask you to wait until they fix this problem. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.